Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Amazon Learners. Today I am here with new Excel trick, that is how you can find your age with the help of date of birth. So it's very simple and easy to do. You can find your age with date of birth within seconds. So let me tell you how. So here as you can see, I have written need three columns. That means you need three columns. First one is for name, second is for DOB, that is your date of birth, and third column will be for your age. And the most important thing you should remember is DOB order, date of birth order, that must be MDY, month, date, year. As you can see, I have given an example here where I have first written my month, that is 7, then I have written my date, that is 21, then at the end I have mentioned my year, that is 2016. So before applying formula, your date of birth must be in this order: MDY, month, date, year. So now let's move towards the next sheet where I will apply formula. So you can see the result. Now here, as you can see, here's my Excel sheet, and you can see the three columns here. First one is name, second DOB, date of birth, and third one is age. So now let's apply formula here. Equal date if bracket. Now the next step is just like the column of date of birth, that is in my case it's B3. Column is B and the row is 3, so I will just click here. Look, B3, now put comma. Next write today, then put bracket, comma, inverted commas, then put Y, then again inverted commas, and then close the bracket. So you can see I have applied the formula here. As you can see, I have given the formula here. You will apply the same formula here. Just press enter. Okay, the result is here. The next step is you'll just drag this down to get the result. Just put your cursor here and you will get the plus sign. Just drag this slow, go down here. So you can see it has given me the edge of these different names given here. So it was a simple trick, so I thought to share with you. So I hope you got it to try. Keep learning. Thank you.